Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cabbage pancake, updated. Start by shredding cabbage finely and squeeze out excess moisture to ensure crisp edges. Use an easy batter of flour, egg, and a pinch of salt to bind the cabbage. Heat a non-stick pan with oil until shimmering, then spoon even rounds and press gently. Cook until golden brown on both sides and serve warm with your favorite dipping. Gather your ingredients and set them within arm's reach for smooth workflow. Shred the cabbage thinly and measure the flour and water so the batter stays consistent. Crack the egg into a bowl and whisk briefly to combine before adding to the cabbage. Taste the mixture and adjust salt or soy sauce for balance. Keep a plate lined with paper towels ready to drain excess oil from the cooked pancakes. Heat your skillet until a drop of water sizzles and add oil to coat the surface evenly. Spoon batter into rounds, pressing lightly so each pancake is about 3–5 inches wide for consistent cooking. Keep heat steady to brown edges without burning. Flip when the bottom is golden and cook until the center is fully set. Transfer to a rack or paper towel briefly, then serve with a tangy dipping sauce to brighten the flavors.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.